What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Back at it once again out here at the Pike in Long Beach. About to go ahead and check out some outlet footage, see what's going on here. Got the man of the hour, Cool Kicks, in the back once again. We about to go ahead and check it out, just see what's going on here. Hopefully there's some dope shoes. We've seen something at the first location. Maybe we'll find something that came out. Maybe those black and white, the reverse 13th, the reverse He Got Games, maybe they might be here already. You never know what you're gonna find at the outlet. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you do, smash the like button, share the video so more people in the universe can see this channel as we try to grow and take over 2020. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get inside the outlet, you dig? So as we are here in the bigger sizes, we find some bigger size, what's this, 16 in the Paulette PG3s. Nothing crazy to write home. Air Max 97s in this like Michigan colorway. That's a pretty big size too. I don't even know what that is right there. Size 14 in the LeBron 16 for Horseman. You got 3 pair of the Kobe Protros in a size 14 also. 175 with 20% off. You can't go wrong with that. You know, every time I do that, there's some heat that I'm finding here, and it does not stand a chance. I found 2 heat rocks in the picture. I'm excited, dog. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this, bro? Crazy. Cool. I'm surprised they got these things here already.
Yeah, a couple trips ago, but yeah.
They just came out last weekend.
This thing
comes off, right?
Yeah. In my opinion, it looks better.
Without it. Without it. Way better without it.
That's what I thought.
Surprised I seen these here. Okay. So they got these in the building. The more than the athlete LeBron 17s, yeah. I believe Koo said he's seen them before. I have not. This is my first time seeing them here in the outlets. Let me know what you guys think about it. And yes, the patch comes off on here. It's more than the athlete situation comes off, which I think is cool. A cool little element. Take that thing off. I'd rather wear it like this. That's my opinion as well. What do you guys think down below? Copper pass on these more than the athletes. Definitely surprised to see these at the outlet now. They just came out. You know what I'm saying? They just got here. Speaking of something else that just got here, let me know what you guys think about these overall. Size 13 for $200 retail. Definitely not copying these for $200 myself, but I like the fact that they are here at the outlets. What do you guys think about this? The Denim 6s, bro, at the Nike outlets. Cop pass, fire or trash on these. See, they also got some Kyrie Flytrap 2. Now the Flytrap 3s are out, 69 bucks. With 20% off also on the hash wall, size 13. This size looks pretty big if you ask me. Let me know what you guys think about these overall, the Kyrie Flytrap 2s or the Flytrap 3s. Which one do you guys like more? And if you're hooping either one of these shoes, let me know which one you guys hooping more. Both of these are pretty ill, but if I had to go out of either one, I would definitely go with the Denim 6s. Let me know your thoughts down below. So we see these all day, bro. Animal Instincts again. Retail with 20% off on the hash wall. I guess I'm not surprised to see these here, bro. I mean, they're here by the boatload now. A lot of people probably thought they could resell them, like I said before, and couldn't, so they returned them. But I mean, that's good if you want to get them with discount. Retail 20% off, $225, 20% off. Then we got some PG3s next to it, 89 bucks. Definitely should be a little lower now that the PG3s are out. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway though. And I mean, I'm glad to see what's going on here. A lot of dope shoes are coming to the outlets, bro. Now that we're in 2020, a lot of the heat rocks and slept-on shoes in 19 will start flooding the outlets. I think this is a dope shoe also. Cop pass, fire or trash on these though. Zoom Pegasus 36 TR. They normally retail for 130 or 160, so it's 160 with 20% off. Cop or pass on these. I like the design and I like the outsole. Looks like it's a training shoe, but I would definitely wear this for casual wear, you dig? We've definitely seen these ACGs here in a different colorway. What do you guys think? Kind of like a shattered backboard, if you will. Nike Air Wildwood ACG 110 retail. 110 with 20% off. You can't go wrong with that either. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? I like that black with the orange, little hint of the white. The color blocking is pretty fire on these. Let me know if you guys agree. Next, we got some of these 270 Reacts. Let me know what y'all think about these. Colorway is different, 270 React, 150 with 20% off on those. Okay, so we got some medicine balls. Medicine ball 16s or 16s, aka Bo Jacksons here on deck. What are these guys? Retail with 20% off on them too, I'm sure. 134. 134, size 11. Good looking out, bro. Thank you. Got the extra keychain here for yourself if you want that. Fire, cop pass, fire or trash on these, man. Let me know what y'all think about the medicine ball 16s, 20% off. And then right above it, they got some more heat, bro. Some more John Elliott's. Now we've recently been seeing all these pairs here. The white pair, the pink pair. Now they have these tan pair at the outlets. These are retail with 20% off. Let me know what you guys think about the John Elliott icons. And what's your favorite colorway out of all the ones that have released? Next, we got the Air Jordan 34 in this black and white colorway, which we've seen a lot of people hooping in. 180 with 20% off, size 10 and a half. Pair of the KD 12 blue icicles for 150 with 20% off. Cop pass, fire or trash on that. That's not too bad of a deal. Under the 150 price point. Oh no, real 150 is the retail, but 20% off is pretty good on that. Then you slide on down here, you got some more of these Fearless ones, which we talked about in the previous outlet video. You guys can see the chameleon type of colorway going on. I think that's super fire. I hear these are very uncomfortable to wear because they crease easily, but the look of them is not that bad. Let me know what you guys think about those in the comment section below. We've seen multiple colorways of the John Elliott icon, the pink, the white, and the black, but I think this tan one is super fire. Probably one of the best ones out of the collection. And then this Fearless one, it looks dope with the light on it, but I hear they're very uncomfortable and crease easily. Let me know your feedback on both these shoes in the comment section below. So you got the John Elliott's again in the tan colorway, which is fire. But these ones, now we have to see them in a different colorway. This navy blue colorway is pretty fire. Nike Cruise Zone 104 with 20% off. This one's here more of a basic navy blue, white, and a little bit of light blue. Pretty fire. I love the sock liner right there. Yeah, so these Cruise Zones look pretty fire, man. We've seen some other colorways come out, but let me know what you guys think about this navy blue colorway. If you own a pair of these shoes, give us the feedback in the comment section below, how these might add up to other runners out there. And if this is a copper pass, let me know that, and also in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and look for some more shoes, you dig? Next shoe. Now, this is not the first time we've seen this, size 9.5. The Kyrie 6 Enlightenment here, back again at the outlets. It says 130 with 20% off. We've seen it at Finish Line for $100. So I don't know, you be the judge on that. But super dope to find these here. And look what else we found here, bro. We talked about these both on the channel. Not reviewed these, but we reviewed these in the comment section below. Let me know which one you guys like more. Here at the outlets already. I mean, I thought it was a matter of time. The shoe is dope. The colorway is fire. The theme is all good. But they are here once again. Nike basketballs, elite here still. But it's the outlets, man. It's what happens. Two dope fire shoes. Very nice pickups. Which one would you guys take home if you had the opportunity to? Let me know. Two more fire shoes I came across. We got the Kyrie 6 Enlightenment, which we talked about a lot. Unfortunately here, they're 130 with 20% off, but we've seen them at Finish Line for 100. So I mean, you know, you be the judge. Size 9.5 for this one, and size 9.5 for the Zoom Freak one, Slow Glow. Super fire shoe. Of course, we did the review and talked about this on the live stream. Both of these is fire. Out of these two shoes, which one would you guys pick if you had the opportunity to? Both of them retail with 20% off. Both of them size 9.5. Let me know in the comment section below, you dig. Air Max 97 Heaven Class 109 with 20% off. Then we scoot down here. Now, we've seen these before in a different colorway, bro. 210. These are pretty crazy, though. Let me know what you guys think. We've seen them in another colorway. Nike Air Zoom branding right here, so the cushioning is really on point. Pretty dope shoe, man. This shoe is not bad the way it looks. Let me know if this is a deal breaker for you with the zipper. You guys like the look of it or not. I think it's pretty fire. Let me know your thoughts down below. Got boxes falling off the wall. Then we see another one, bro. John Elliott in the black colorway, bro. You can't go wrong. Too much sneaker heat, bro. Let me know what you guys is feeling. Which shoe you guys like more? Let me move this around real quick. Wow. Out of these two, which one would you guys go with? These running shoes or these beautiful John Elliott LeBron icons? Let me know in the comment section below. We got a pair of 720s. Navy blue with the orange. Kind of like a Syracuse theme, if you will. That orange is popping right here, though. Let me take these out the box because this is looking pretty crazy. The colorway is looking pretty fire, if you ask me. Kind of a pass, like I don't have to have these. But they do look pretty fire. Let me know if you guys agree. Timestamp whatever shoe you guys see that you like, that you want me to talk about more. These ones is fire too. We saw them in the yellow colorway. This is the original box. Oh, the Pegasus 36. This red colorway is pretty fire. Too bad it's stuck in the box though. Yeah, that red is really popping on the camera. Let me know if you guys like this colorway or not. Navy blue and red is my favorite color combination. You can't go wrong with these. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Some more John Elliott icons there. Slide on up. We got some more Heat Rock here from LeBron, size 8.5 for $200. You got the Gym Red, Varsity Red LeBron 17s. Not a bad selection right here. Copper pass on these though. Retail with 20% off. I'm liking the colorway, bro. That red is pretty fire. If you guys own a pair, you picked up a pair, let me know. If not, you guys might be able to find them at the outlet. You gotta check it out. Some more heat. Okay, so we got some PG3s in the ACG colorway, and then also the Air Max 270 React. Size 7 though, size 7, 119 with 20% off. I kind of like this colorway. A little different for the 270 React. But let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Next, we have... you guys see that tag right there, the Mock Fear of God. I think we might have seen this before, this colorway before. Size 6 for $170, 20% off on those also. Fear of God making its way to the outlets, you dig? This Jordan 8, but we definitely seen this before at the outlets. Let me know if you guys like these. This is a size actual 8, 225 with 20% off. So retail with 20% off on those. I believe a lot of people will pass on that, but let me know what you guys think about these down below. For the ladies watching and gentlemen watching, we found these for $160, 20% off. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. So this is actually the second time at an outlet I found a pair of these here. Still factory lace, the Fearless ones. What do you guys think about this in the comment section below? Women's size, this is actually a size 8. 160 with 20% off. I believe they retail for like 160 or 170. So not too much of a discount, but you still get that 20% off, which isn't bad. Factory lace, don't look like they've been tried on, which is fire. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Are you guys surprised that these guys are at the outlets now? I've been seeing them a little bit more, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. So for the ladies, I found some more heat. We got the floral foam pockets, as well as some Air Max 270s in the rainbow colorway. Out of these two colorways, which one would you guys go for more? Retail with 20% off should be a little cheaper, but it is what it is. If you were to pick one of these two shoes, ladies and gentlemen, let me know which one in the comment section below. We got some Vapor Max Utility for the ladies, size 8.5 for $190. Now this colorway is a little different. This utility doesn't look too bad. Let me know if you guys like these. Cop, pass, fire, or trash. 20% off, you can't beat that, you dig? The Zoom Fly 3 Rise. Like Rise Up, 114 with 20% off. They normally retail at 160. Cop, pass, fire, trash, both green. Got that orange. I don't know. What do you guys think about this in the comment section below? All right, so we just left the outlet out here in Long Beach. Pretty good situation. Let me know what you guys think about the shoes you guys saw in the video. What's the favorite one? Timestamp it. Leave comments, feedback. I was able to switch the shoe out and get my girl her right size of that Presto React that I caught for her last time. About to get out of here, man. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, share the video so more people in the world can see it. And if you happen to be new, you guys subscribe with notification bells on. Without further ado, I'm about to get out of here. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Peace.